So here it is, a world exclusive for BBC Radio 1. Armin van Buuren and Trevor Guthrie. This is what it feels like.
Piso world exclusive Radio 1.
Such a beautiful sound. And I don't even know how I survive. I won't make it to the shore without your light. No, I don't even know if I'm alive. Oh, without you now, this is what it feels like.
First plane.
Nothing to hold but the memories and frames. Oh, they remind me of the battle I face. Without your love, without you I drown. Somebody save me, I'm going down. This is what it feels like.